Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you several fixes for the sound not working issue or problem in your Google Chrome web browser on 2025. So let us dive into this, guys. So what you want to do first is make sure that the website you're currently at on Google Chrome hasn't been muted accidentally through the open tab at the top. So what you want to do, guys, is right click into the tab of the website you're currently at and you don't see any or hear any sound actually from. Right click into it and make sure that it's not muted. So if it is muted, guys, you will see that option unmute site. So if you accidentally muted it, simply unmute the site here. That's one way. Option number two, guys, is to check if sound in general is enabled in your Google Chrome web browser. To do that, navigate to your browser settings through these three dots in the top right and through settings here. Inside your browser settings, click into privacy and security. Here, click into site setting next. And after that, guys, under permissions, expand the additional permissions section. And here, look for sound. Let me find it really quickly. There, under additional content settings. So if you don't see it, simply expand additional content settings. Click into sound. And here, guys, make sure that the default behavior is sites can play sound. If you accidentally switch to don't allow sites to play sound, of course, audio and sound on these websites will be muted, so switch back to sites can play sound. You may also remove any exceptional routes if you accidentally block the sound for specific websites, and these websites are listed here. And last but not least, guys, you may also check the sound mixer on your computer if you for instance, didn't mute Chrome accidentally as an application on your desktop computer. To do that, click into that microphone button in the bottom right corner. With your right mouse, select sound mixer. It's not in English for me, as you can see, but you will see the audio mixer here. And here, guys, make sure that Chrome is not muted. If it is muted, you will see a symbol like that. So unmute it. You may also adjust the volume here if you don't hear anything or barely anything, guys. And that should fix the issue. I hope it did for you. So please let us know in the comments down below if it is the case for your Chrome web browser. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you later. See you next time on our channel.